Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, my dear student, in the last lecture, we studied about the difference between the ionization energies of alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. But today we are going to study a very important and interesting element of the alkali metals group, which is sodium. So let's understand its properties, occurrence, and uses and detail step by step. Now, introduction to sodium. Dear student, sodium is a group 1 element and belongs to the family of alkali metals. Second one, symbol is Na from Latin words natrium. Third one, atomic number of sodium is 11. And fourth one, electronic configuration of sodium is 1s2, 2s2, and 2p6, 3s1. Dear student, it has one electron in the outermost shell, makes it very reactive. Now, occurrence of sodium. But dear student, sodium is not found free in nature because of its high reactivity. It occurs in the form of compounds such as NaCl, rock salt is common salt, or Na2CO3, soda ash, NaNO3, Chilean salt battery, or borax Na2B4O7 dot 10H2O. Now, physical properties of sodium. The first one is appearance. Sodium as soft, savory, white metal. Second one, malleability. Sodium can be cut easily with a knife. And third one, density. Light, mean less dense than water, but due to oxides layer, it float differently. And the fourth one, melting point is 98 degrees centigrade. And the fifth one is good conductor, mean excellent conductor of heat and electricity. Now, chemical properties of sodium. But yes, student, the first one is reaction with oxygen, mean formation of oxides and peroxides. Sodium reacts quickly with oxygen to form oxides. 4Na plus O2 gives 2Na2O. And excess oxygen it forms sodium peroxides. 2Na plus O2 gives Na2O2. And the second one, reaction with water. Sodium reacts vigorously with water, mean producing sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2. The reaction is so violent that the hydrogen catches fire. Now, chemical properties of sodium, the third one. Third one, chemical properties of sodium as reaction with halogen. Sodium reacts with halogens like chlorine to form ionic salt. 2Na plus Cl2 gives 2NaCl. And the fourth one, chemical properties of sodium as reaction with acids. Sodium reacts with acids to release a hydrogen gas. 2Na plus 2HCl gives 2NaCl plus H2 gas, which is released. Now, uses of sodium. But yes, during the first one is used as a reducing agent and the extraction of metals. Second one is in the manufacture of sodium peroxide, sodium cyanide, and sodium hydride. Also, third one is sodium vapor lamps for street lighting. And the fourth one used as a coolant and nuclear reactor, mean liquid sodium. And the fifth one used in the manufacture of organic compounds like synthetic rubber. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on sodium. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you in next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.